arbitrationagreements.org. As we delve into the intricacies of the legal world, we encounter various tools and tactics. Today, we are focusing on the concept of a motion to compel arbitration. What is it? When do we use it? Let's unravel these questions together. But before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. A motion to compel arbitration is a request made to a court when one party wishes to resolve a dispute through arbitration, rather than through litigation, and the other party is unwilling to do so. The key word here is arbitration. It is an alternative to court proceedings, and it involves a neutral third party, known as an arbitrator, who makes a binding decision on the dispute. The push for arbitration is often due to several reasons. 1, it's usually faster than court proceedings. 2, it's confidential, and thus can protect a company's reputation. 3, it provides a more flexible process. Now, why would one need to compel arbitration? Well, if both parties agreed to an arbitration clause in a contract, and one party attempts to bypass this agreement by filing a lawsuit, the other party can file a motion to compel arbitration, asking the court to enforce the arbitration agreement. However, to have this motion granted, the party requesting it must show that a valid arbitration agreement exists, and that the issue at hand is within the scope of the agreement. In the United States, this motion is guided by the Federal Arbitration Act, which emphasizes a policy favoring arbitration. According to a recent report in 2022, approximately 75% of commercial contracts included an arbitration clause, a clear testament to the widespread use of this dispute resolution mechanism. However, not all motions to compel arbitration are granted. According to a study by the University of Pennsylvania Law Review, around 7% of these motions were denied by federal district courts. Remember, the motion to compel arbitration is a powerful tool to enforce a pre-existing agreement for dispute resolution. Understanding this tool can be beneficial for both businesses and individuals navigating the complex landscape of contractual disputes. Remember, the ultimate goal is a fair resolution, in whatever form that might take. If you want to learn more about the concept of motion to compel arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You're paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what is your opinion about motion to compel arbitration? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.